Hey guys, this is Ryan with PC Battlestations, and today before I build my PC I want to do a quick little video on how I will be installing this CableMod AIO sleeving kit on my NZXT Kraken X72, and it's going to be a white and black build. This is black, but I wanted to make these white, and that's why I got this AIO sleeving kit, and we'll show you how to do that, install it right now. So what's in the box is the two white sleeves, and how you're going to want to install that is it's basically kind of rolls over each other like this, and also on the bottom looks like it's empty, but it's not. So you just go down here, you're going to want to install that. These are the little clips that go on the end, so make sure you grab those. One thing to note, which I'll mention it at the end too, is when you're stretching out the sleeves, kind of like I did to get them to kind of fully fit the length, make sure that you don't kind of pull the ends or keep the ends intact, because those mesh kind of pull apart on the melted parts at the ends and make it a little tough to get those clips around it, and I kind of had to use a scissor to kind of clip some of those off. So just kind of make sure that maybe when you're stretching it out, if you need to, go ahead and just kind of stretch out the middle part. Alright guys, looks like we finally got it on and it looks good. Make sure, a couple things to note is make sure you have like kind of a, it says a 2mm gap between this black end piece, and so you can get these clips closed. And if you stretch it too hard, make sure you don't have the ends fray. It's kind of hard to get these things clipped when the ends are kind of fraying, so don't pull on it too hard. Kind of leave it where it's melted on the end there and it stays together. But I think it will look good. So stay tuned for the build.